This is the all-new BMW X5, and it has the coolest headlights on the planet. Look at these hazards. They look so good, you'll want to park illegally just to show them off. Too lazy to open your own door? This car will do it for you, and soft close it when you're in. If you get the electric version, you don't even have to yank off that annoying plastic cap to use a fast charger. Press a button and the flap automatically dips out of the way. It's the little things. But this car isn't little. It rides on massive 23-inch wheels and weighs a whopping 2.9 tons. Step inside and the dashboard is completely uncluttered. Why? Because your speed and navigation project directly onto the lower windscreen. Your passenger gets their own optional screen, meaning they can play video games using a PlayStation controller while you drive. The center console isn't plastic. It's made of actual stone slate, surrounded by crystal glass switches. Pop into the back and you get massive legroom, 44-watt wireless fast charging, customizable ambient lighting, and yes, plush pillows for both the headrests and the armrests. Around the back, you get a giant 650-liter boot with a storage slot made specifically for the parcel shelf. But here is the craziest part. BMW built this entire car on a single platform that gives you 5 different fueling options: petrol, diesel, plug-in hybrid, full electric with a massive battery for huge range, and even hydrogen. It is massive, heavy, and packed with insane tech. But is it enough to beat the brand new Audi Q7? Hit subscribe and let's find out.